Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to use OBS Studios. So before starting with the video, please download OBS Studios. I've given the link in the description and you can download it from there. Okay, so starting with the video, I've opened OBS Studios. Okay, after opening OBS Studios, you might see something on the screen similar to mine. First, let's go to the settings I recommend you all to use. The same settings which I have used. Okay, so first let's see the general section. The theme and the language is your choice. Just don't change anything except that. Just change the language and theme according to you. You can change it. It's your choice. And okay, now in the stream section, I don't stream. If you guys stream, you can use. If you stream on YouTube, you can use the YouTube section. If you stream on Facebook, you can use the Facebook section. If you stream on Twitter, you can use the Twitter section. Suppose if you want to stream on YouTube, you have to just copy paste your stream key over here and then click on the start streaming thing, and then you will start streaming. Okay, so now I don't stream much, I'll just leave this option. Now the output. So don't change anything in the output, but you can change the recording format. I only use MKV as YouTube supports all the recording format, but you can also use MP4, MM4, it's your choice. Okay, now with the audio section, you don't need to change anything in the audio section, just keep it as it is. In the video section, okay, so now in the video section, you have to use the resolution which is your display resolution on your laptop or your PC. So how to see the display resolution on your PC? Okay, to do that you have to open your settings. After opening settings, go to display. In display you will see display resolution over here. So mine is 1920 into 1080. So in OBS Studios I will use the same resolution. If your resolution is different, you have to use the resolution which is on your PC. So the resolution of your PC and your OBS Studio should be same. And I know the FPS values are 30 by default, change it to 60. And now let's go to the hotkeys. I don't use hotkeys, it's your wish if you want to use hotkeys. There are no basic uses for hotkeys. These are just like shortcuts for start streaming, stop streaming, and all. In advanced, don't change anything. You don't have to change anything in advance. Just leave it as it is. Okay, now going with the video. How to record OBS Studios. We have done the settings. Now we have to see how can we record this. How can we record a screen? How can we record a gameplay? How can we do all this? So first you have to create a scene. To create a scene, click on the plus sign. I'm just going to name it anything. Scene 2 is okay. And now you can see a black screen. As we don't have any sources, it's showing a black screen. So now we have to add sources. To add sources, click on the add sign. And first let's add the input capture. If the input capture is to record your voice, just click OK. And you can see the device you want to use. I'll just use the default one. Then I'll click on OK. You have to also add the audio output capture so that it hears the system sound as well, or the system sound won't be audible in the recording. So now I will click on OK, and the device is your choice. I use the default one, and OK. Now if you want to record the browser, you can record that, but I don't record the browser. I just do a display capture. For display capture, just click on display capture and then press OK. And then you have to use a display which is your PC's display, the same display you have to use. If you want to show your cursor, then you can check on this box. If you don't want to, then you can uncheck the box. See, now there's no cursor over here, but I like to capture the cursor. Now click on OK. It's just your choice. I'm just showing how to record and all the sources. It's completely up to you. And if you want to capture a game, then click on game capture and then click on OK. And you have to and this change this setting to capture any full screen application, so that it can capture like the games, like you can capture in full screen. Then click on OK. If you're capturing a game, then remove the display capture, because there's no need of display capture if you're recording a game. But I don't record games much now. I'll just keep the display capture over here. I'll remove this game. Okay, now going forward, you can add more sources. You can also add, if you want to do a face cam recording, you can add the video capture device. Then click on OK. So now it will ask you your device. I have a integrated webcam. I use that only, and I'll click on OK. Now you can see my face cam is showing over here. You can resize it according to you, but I don't use face cam much, so I'll just remove it. It's just completely up to you. Okay, so now after you have added the sources you want, you can click on start recording. So after you click start recording, and then you stop the recording. So so I know you must be wondering where the recording will go, where the recording will be saved. So the recording will be saved in your File Explorer. Open File Explorer, and then you will see an option of videos, and here the recordings will be saved. So then you can edit the recording and do whatever you wish. Okay, I hope you understood how to do this. Please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video and share it with all your friends who don't know how to use OBS Studios.